Hi everyone, welcome back to Anu's classroom. In this video, we will be discussing about a few important concepts or a few important topics that I strongly recommend you to study and go before your before you appear for your term and examination in case you have missed it. So each of these topics in detail, either I have uploaded a video or we have discussed it while we were discussing the previous year's question papers. But since that itself was split into around 5 videos or so, I thought I will make a summary video to just give you the pointers on which all topics to study. So first and foremost is your assignment questions. No matter what, please study each of your assignment questions and go before your term and examination. The second is what accounting is. The definition of accounting, the AICPA definition of accounting, the what you can say, the history of how we have come from into the modern way of accounting, like from stewardship accounting onwards towards the latest emerging accounting concepts as well. Just try to understand how accounting is flowing. The next is the accounting cycle. Then fourth I would suggest is the accounting concepts, the 12 concepts of accounting. Multiple times we have seen questions in multiple term and examinations asking to describe about the accounting concepts. Okay, so in that case you will have to explain all the 12, or there have been questions like explain what is materialistic concept, or what is the going concern concept, or what is the continuity concept, which is same as going concern concept. So such individual concepts also they have asked. Okay, maybe two or three concepts clubbed together, or just the one single concept like that they have asked. So accounting concepts definitely study and go. Then cash flow statements, what is cost volume profit analysis, what is break even analysis, then what is marginal costing, what is activity based costing, what are the different components of costing and cost accounting. Then forensic accounting, that is like fraud triangle. Why is forensic accounting important? What are the concept, what are the components, or what are the different types or applications of forensic accounting? Such questions could come up. Then once we have seen a question where human resource accounting is asked for. So these two questions are from your unit 5. It is a very, sorry, not unit 5, block 5. It is a small block with just 2 units. So look at it and go. At least one question either from the forensic accounting part or from the emerging human resource accounting part. At least one of these I am expecting one question at least to come, okay, from these two. So do study and go. Yeah, then budgeting variance, the different types of variance. So either it could come asking like what are the different types of variances, or what do you understand by variance, or it could ask you maybe a particular type or a couple of different types of variance and explain on that. Such a question might come. We have had such questions in the previous year's question papers as well. Yeah, CVP have already told. Budgets, and then the different ratios, like what do you understand by various ratios, or what is trend analysis, like what is DuPont analysis and Altman's score. Those two things were questions from previous year's question paper. So at least I would say DuPont analysis and Altman Altman's Z score. At least these two, if not all the ratios, at least DuPont analysis and Altman Z score, and just keep a general idea on what is trend analysis. At least these, please, read and go. Once we have had a question on annual report. So annual report is it is in detail, it is there, but just if time permits, definitely take a look at it, read it, because once we have had one question regarding trying asking you to explain what you understand by annual statement, what are the different components. So but that only happened once, but definitely there will be one question from this block number 4, that is financial statement analysis. So in that it could be from ratio analysis unit or annual reports unit. There are 3 units in that. Okay, so the comparative common size and trend statement, that is unit 13. I haven't seen many questions from there. Usually the questions have come up from the ratio analysis and annual report chapters only. So at least a few of these concepts if you can do study and go. I know this ABC, this CVP, your cash flow, the accounting concepts definitely, and what you understand by accounting, and any question that has come up in your assignments. Definitely go study and go. I'm not saying you to make sure that you know how to solve the problem questions, because as per the trend so far, you will get 8 questions, out of which only 5 needs to be answered. We haven't seen more than 2 problem questions in any of the term and examination, which leaves you ample choice of at least 6 questions. So I would say, focus on this, at least these many concepts, and go. And definitely at least a few, I'm not saying all, but at least a few questions you will be able to answer for sure. And then definitely, as time permits, as much as you can study, or as much as you can read through, concentrate on just reading, and maybe you will grasp something and you'll be able to write it down. Okay, so all the best, study well, may luck be with you, and whatever you've studied, I'll pray that those questions come up. Okay, so all the best. If you do like the content, subscribe. We have a lot of upcoming videos also planned for other subjects as well. We have already uploaded the important question answer session where we discussed about each of those term and examination questions that have come up so far, and how you can answer those. Definitely do check it out. Perhaps you'll get good pointers from there about how you can answer the questions that come up for your term and examinations. So all the best. See you in the next video.